Dashcam madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Nothing behind me, and this BMW driver couldn't wait 1 second for me to pass. I don't think a single driver would be ready for that. This driver realized that the road was blocked off, so they just ran the light instead.
Seeing Karen lying face down on the floor a couple feet from me in a pool of blood. I got off the floor, I went over to her, knelt down beside her.
How did this driver end up taking the wrong side of the road? Don't drive like this, please. This idiot in a Mustang nearly hits me after running a stop sign. Let's hope an ambulance shows up faster than his reaction time.
Tesla that ran the red light. I think that's Oh!
Just enough time to express my disapproval. Have fun counting the idiots here. Looks like someone tried to take a tight turn. At least they used their blinker. How about an idiot between cars? If you want to turn right, what's the reason for all this? I usually ignore bright headlights, but this pickup truck had them very bright. so I flashed my high beams. This idiot has no clue how a roundabout even works. This guy has a red car but doesn't know what a red light is. This kid decides to enter a new lane without looking first. Not sure what he was thinking there. This video's quality is about as blurry as the brain fog in this truck driver's mind.
Two hours later.
Just captured a series of bad decisions all around. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.